Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So this is actually Microsoft catalog page. Okay, so anybody Microsoft launch any updates or show in this website. So recently for Windows 10 KB5022286 launch for Windows 10. Okay, so guys, how to install offline directly if you show error in your Windows update setting. Okay, so guys, this is Windows 64 base systems. For if your system 32, so use this one, and if your 64, those click to download. Okay, then showing link like that and click to this link. Now this is starting download automatically. Okay, please wait 1 to 2 minutes. Install setup. Okay, then double click to install. This is very simple step, and when you're finished downloading and installing, then your system restart, because this update apply on your operating systems and your OS. Then guys, click to open. Now this is installing update on in your operating system Windows 10, so please wait few minutes and then automatically install when you restart. Okay, have an issue, please comment me, I will support you. Bye bye, take care.